In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from Zoho CRM to Zoho Campaigns. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can smoothly bring your CRM contacts into your email marketing platform and start sending targeted campaigns without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho Campaigns account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Zoho Campaigns interface. From here, the first thing you want to do is go to the dashboard. If you're not already on it, look towards the main navigation area at the top and click on the option labeled Dashboard. This is your central hub in Zoho Campaigns, and it's where you'll see key options, including integrations with other Zoho apps. When the dashboard page opens, take a moment to let it load completely. On this screen, you should see different sections or tiles related to your campaigns, lists, and integrations. What we're interested in is the Zoho CRM option. This is the built-in connection that allows you to pull your CRM data directly into Zoho Campaigns. Now, find and click on the Zoho CRM option. It might appear as a button or a card with the Zoho CRM logo on it. Clicking on this will start the process of connecting Zoho CRM with Zoho Campaigns, or if it's already connected, it will move you to the Import or Permissions page. After you click Zoho CRM, you'll be taken to a screen asking for confirmation to proceed. This is usually a permission or authorization page that makes sure Zoho Campaigns has the right access to your CRM data. On this page, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Before you press Continue, quickly review the information on the screen. It may summarize what kind of access is being requested, such as permission to read contacts or leads from your Zoho CRM account. This is normal and required for the import to work properly. Once you're comfortable with the permissions, go ahead and click on Continue. This confirms the connection and allows Zoho Campaigns to communicate with Zoho CRM. After you do this, Zoho Campaigns will be able to access your CRM contacts so you can proceed with importing them into your mailing lists and using them in your future campaigns. And that's the basic process. Open Zoho Campaigns, head to the dashboard, select Zoho CRM,